Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this session, I'm going to show you how to create personal elements and panels that you would be able to create or use in all of your pages, as well as other websites within the same account. Now, why would you do that? It is most of the time it's elements that you maybe took a long time to create and you would like to save it. Maybe something like this little button that I've got here with the rounded corners, a type of a banner at the top, or maybe an image inside of a box with a buy now button. So let me show you how it works. When you work with panels, remember that everything inside of that panel, when you save it as an element, everything will be saved and not individually. So when we click on this little icon, we're going to give it a name, orange and purple banner with button. We're going to hit save. And now let's go and just save this button by itself. Click on the button and we can just say orange rounded button and click save. And we're going to add this little box. We want this whole box to be saved and not just individual items. I'm going to click box. And we're going to hit save again. And now all of it is saved, but I like to click save again at the top just to make 100% sure. That's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these panels now because I would like to show you how it works. I'm just going to delete this one here, this image box. So now we want to add that panel. We're going to go click on this little icon there. I'm going to go to personal, to panels, because it's a personal panel that we are adding. We're going to go look for it right here. It says orange and purple with button. So we're going to click on that. And now you can see the panel has been added with a button inside of it. So now let's go add just a button. If you click there again, go up to personal, elements this time because it's not a panel. Then we're going to go to buttons and click on rounded button and drag it to the space where you want it. And you would see there it sits. So now I'm just going to move this button away, out of the way, because now we would like to add an additional element, which was that box. So we click on elements, go to box, and drag it to the place we want it. And there is our box with our element. This is the other ones that we've added. And that is how easy it is to create personal elements and panels inside of Cheetah.